Hi, this is Elizabeth Swider. I'm the owner of Care is There Geriatric Care Management, and I'm the founder and webmaster of Cville Seniors. This video will show you how you can post links to documents and websites in your Cville Seniors profile, blog posts, and event listings. And I'll just show you an example of how great your post can look when you do this. Here's a post that we did for the Aging in Place Business Roundtable for one of our meeting summaries. And this has got a photograph in it. We'll talk about putting in pictures and images later. But it also has links to, this is actually an auto recording we did of the Elder Law Dream Team presentation. And it's got links to presentations that, documents that were brought to the meeting, and also to people's websites and that sort of thing. So this is how great your blog posts can look, and your profiles too, when you're including this kind of media. These are actually hot links to email addresses of folks that were at the meeting. So that just gives you some inspiration. I'll illustrate this by doing a blog post with you. So first, make sure you're at www.cvilleseniors.org. Be sure you are signed in. I'm signed in here as Care is There. If you're not signed in, it'll give you a place to sign in here, and you can put in your login details. On this site, we have the events, and then we have all the blog posts people are making. There are several ways you can start a blog post. One is to go to the bottom of this blog post listing and click this link that says Add a Blog Post. So we'll do that now. This brings up an editor for you to put in the title and the body of your blog post. I'm going to create a blog post called Circles of Care Presentation. I want to talk about this presentation that I gave at the Parkinson's Association meeting. So here I've just clicked out of the title field into the body field, and then I can start typing text here. Here's a copy of my presentation from the last Parkinson's Association meeting. Enjoy. Now I want to post a link or actually upload that document to this blog post. So I'll do that by clicking this little icon that looks like a paperclip that says File when you hover over it. It'll bring up a window that's asking me to browse to wherever I have stored my file. So I'll click Browse. I happen to know that I've stored this document on my website. So here it is, Circles of Care. I'm clicking that and then clicking Open. It's posting that document to Cville Seniors. And then it's giving me the title of it. And this is the text that's going to appear in my blog post. I don't like that one, Circles of Care. I want it to say something more English. Circles of Care Presentation. So I'll type that in there over on top of what was previously there and just say OK. Now here it is. There's what I typed, and this is now a hot link to my presentation. So that's the first step, doing a presentation. And I also want to make a link to my website. So I'll say, see more information at our website. And I want people to be able to click on this text that says at our website, or just maybe our website, and go to the Care is There website. So I will highlight that text with my mouse. Then I'm going to click this little link icon, and it will bring me up a browser window. And it's showing that I want this to be the hot linked text. That's fine. And then it's starting me off with my link. And you want to be sure all your links do begin with this http://. And then I'm going to add my website address, www.careisthere.com. OK. And now it's created this link to my website. Notice, I don't know why, it will take away that little space. So I like to go to and add a little space in there. And then you can finish your blog post with whatever text that you want to create. So that's basically how you post the links. Let's now be sure, very important, to go down and either you can save it as a draft. Let's go ahead and publish this post. Now it's a published post. It will be showing up on the home page. And here's what these links look like. I say, here's a copy. Look, I hover over this link, and it shows that it's a hot link. I'm going to click on that. And now it's brought up my presentation for my viewers to see. So they can browse through there, see what I'm talking about at that presentation. Now I'm going to go back to that blog post by just hitting the back button on the browser. And I want to check out this link to the website. So I'll click on that link and see what happens when people click on that. And it's bringing this website up, my website, in a separate browser window here. So that's fine with me. Here's my website for people to look at. I'm just going to close that window now and go. I'm automatically back here to my blog post. So that's what it looks like when you make those posts. So enjoy dressing up your blog posts and your event posts and your profile page, probably especially, with documents and links.